When it comes to sourcing electric motors, why not stick with the supplier down the street? When your client's HVAC system goes down, they rely on you to get them back up and running as quickly as possible. Even an extra day waiting for a motor replacement can turn a happy customer into an impatient one. Meet John. He's the owner of a local HVAC company. He employs 4 technicians, each with their own van and inventory to manage. John relies on local suppliers to source their HVAC motors and spare inventory. A client calls, and their furnace is no longer moving air through their building. John is under pressure to find a solution fast. John knows the motor is a discontinued OEM model, and it's gonna be hard to find. John drives to his usual supplier to find, once again, they don't have the motor that fits his specifications. They find an option that will work, but it will be 2 weeks delivery for the replacement. His supplier can purchase from another middleman, but his customer will need to pay double what John originally quoted. John needs a better solution for his motor supply chain. John recently saw an advertisement online for eMotorsDirect.ca and decides to take a look at their website. He enters the specifications from the nameplate of the discontinued OEM motor, including voltage, horsepower, and RPM. He has 30 options to choose from. Entering his customer's postal code, he receives an estimated lead time. The motor's not in his town, but he finds 12 other options with the exact same specifications. These are direct replacements for John's client's motor. From these options, John chooses the most cost-effective motor that has local pickup in his city. John found what he needs and goes to check out online. He signs up for the Loyalty Rewards program, and the order total changes from $342 down to $295. He's confident he found the quickest and most cost-effective solution for his customer. John replaces his customer's motor the same day. His customer's atmosphere is back to comfortable, and they're very pleased with how quickly John was able to fix their HVAC system. He gets another fantastic online review to help grow his company further. A few days later, John gets a call from his eMotors Direct account manager, and they build a custom strategy to support with fast motor replacements moving forward. Optimizing your supply chain helps bridge the gap between an impatient customer and a happy one. We've aggregated all the manufacturer inventory across Canada so that you can make more informed buying decisions. Instead of accessing just your local supplier inventory, gain access to over $75 million worth of product across Canada. The information you need to buy your motor now is just a click away. Visit eMotorsDirect.ca to shop over 50,000 motor and motor-related products. Consult with our team of experts on your next project or motor replacement. eMotors Direct, the electric motor supplier of Canada's HVAC professionals.